Hello, everybody. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new catalog. You can see that this particular catalog that I have contains a lot of wedding images. So it's really important for you to hear that it is not necessary to create a bunch of different catalogs for all these different types of photography that you do. And in fact, Lightroom is so powerful that it can hold thousands and thousands and thousands of images, and I've even heard million. So that is incredible. So through that all, let's learn how to make a new catalog. So we're going to go to up here to where it says File, and we're going to click on File, and we're going to click on New Catalog. File, New Catalog. From there, you'll be prompted a window, and you want to figure out how you want to save that. So I'm going to type it Teaching Lightroom Catalog. You're going to label it the way you want to label it. So these are my identifying markers. So I know this is for teaching, it's my Lightroom catalog, and the year that I made this. And the next really, really important thing is, where am I saving this to? So you can see that I have this saving to right now to my pictures folder. Once I've made that decision, I just click on Create. It's going to restart. And then my new catalog will be created. I'm ready to start and import all new images. So before I leave you, I want to show you a really handy thing. And if you are making multiple catalogs, this is really handy. Okay, so I want you to go to Lightroom Classic and go to Preferences. Under Preferences, yours will probably look like this, what says Load Most Recent Catalog. That means your last catalog that you're using when you turn on Lightroom, that'll be the catalog that turns on. If you click on Prompt Me when starting Lightroom, then if you have multiple catalogs, it'll say, bink, it'll kind of go, hey, which catalog do you want? And you'll have to choose between the catalogs. So I'll go ahead and show you right now. So I'm going to keep this preference on. I'm going to close this right here, and I'm going to turn off Lightroom. So just Command Q or File Quit. I'm going to quickly restart Lightroom. And you can see right here, it's prompting me, and you can see I have a lot of catalogs. Personally, I don't recommend having a lot of catalogs. It really does create a lot of mess. A couple years ago, someone told me to make a new catalog every single year, and that was not great advice. So you can notice right here, I have a catalog that's called Master. That really is my master one. And these are some other catalogs that I have for some of the courses that I'm teaching. So that's just kind of word of the wise. So anyway, I'm going to open the last catalog that we just made together. I'll click on Open, and bada bing, there's our catalog. All right, thank you, everybody.